Hello and welcome. Experiential learning is one of the best ways to learn new concepts and skills. Done correctly, these in-person sessions are fun, engaging, and leave participants full of energy and excitement. However, sometimes we can't meet in person and have to find a virtual solution. Fortunately, there are many ways to virtually practice continuous improvement concepts, including the Kata in a Classroom workshop. Kata in the Classroom was created by Mike Rother as a way to introduce the scientific thinking pattern of the improvement kata. It was originally created for primary and secondary school teachers to use, but is now practiced in university settings and beyond. Additionally, Kata in the Classroom has now found its way into corporate settings and is now also being used by companies around the world where a simple jigsaw puzzle is used to practice the improvement kata routine. The good news is we can also run the Kata in the Classroom workshop virtually. Instead of using a jigsaw puzzle, an online, cloud-based spreadsheet is used. Teams then collaborate virtually using the same spreadsheet in order to complete a specific task. We've personally run this virtual Kata in a Classroom workshop on numerous occasions, and the participants not only had a lot of fun, they also learned all about the improvement kata. In order to get started, we'll need to learn how to run this virtual workshop, including what you need to be successful, as well as some tips and tricks to counter any technical challenges you may experience. That wraps up our introduction to the virtual Kata in the Classroom. We'll speak to you soon.